2 questions. Do you love curly hair, and do you want to do it at home by yourself? Do not pay $1. Watch this video to the end. Hey GlamFam, welcome back besties. We are going to be using this hair to achieve the look that you saw earlier. It's water wave. I don't know so much about that. Like, I'm actually wearing it now and I don't see where it's water wavy, but it comes with 3 different sizes. There's 8, 9, and 10 inches in here. This is what they look like. I pre-wash with water and vinegar just so that I don't break out. I used to be able to wear the hair like from the pack like that, but I can't do it anymore. So we're just gonna leave this in here for about 2 hours and let it hair dry. So now I am pulling the hair apart, starting with the longest piece at the back. The hair also, I'm going to separate each strand into about 3 or 4 pieces, depending on how fat it is. And then I'm just gonna start at the back side here. And we're gonna do the regular crochet, but I'm only going to pull 1 piece of the hair through because it's so silky, it will just slide off. So I'm doing one of the pull through here. There you go, like so. And we're just going to do that throughout the head. We're going to do it throughout the back of the head. Let me give you another close-up here. And just as it said, 1 pack enough. I really did use 1 pack. I even add some left over. So 1 pack is more than enough. There you go. So we're going to do that throughout the back of the head with the 10-inch. And if you like big fluffy hair, if you like volume, honey, this is it. All right, so here we are so far. Now I'm working on the sides. Remember, you pull 1 through. This is so easy. I feel like the hardest part of this hair would be to kind of get your hair in braids or cornrows. That would probably be the hardest part to do. So now I'm adding the 9-inch piece. So it's already layered because I hate the process of cutting. That's my least favorite thing to do. Like, if I have to put in this type of hair, is to cut it. But the hair is already layered, so there's not much cutting to do. So I'm working on the sides, pulling that one end through, so it's kind of making a knot as you pull it through. And that's all you're going to be doing throughout the head. All right, so now we're going in with the shorter piece for the top portion. Folks, the end is near. We're just trying to fill in any parts here just so that our center part does not look as wide. Then the light is here. So now I'm going to use my comb. You can choose to use a brush with this to kind of frizz the ends a little bit so that it looks more natural. It's more natural looking. I'm going to also do that on the other side. And then we're moving on to my least favorite part, which is the cutting. Just cut at an angle. We're not straight cutting here because the hair is already layered. Remember, we have our 3 different pieces up in here, or 3 different inches up in here, 8, 9, 10. And this is what I came up with. I don't have to pay to do it. That's the back portion. Has a lot of volume. And I'm loving it. Like I said, I got tons of compliments on this. My mom hates it. but she doesn't like hair overall. This is day 2 of the hair. This is day 3 of the hair. Still going. Right, so my niece's sweet 16 party. Shout out to my niece boo, Queen Noya. Day 4 of the hair. And then I'm gonna insert what it looks like a week and a half, and I plan to keep it in for at least 3 weeks. All right, as you can see, it's not as big, but it's still going. I feel like I keep cutting every day. I feel like I keep cutting it, but guys, it's still, I feel like it's still pretty after a week and a half. You be the judge of that. You tell me. It's just not as big because I keep cutting, but I think I still like it. I still like it.
Thank you for watching this video. Remember to like,